once upon a time, Mark from Markiplier and Ethan from Crank Gameplays combined their talents, their time, and their passion to create a channel, a brand new channel, and they named it Unus Annus. And it existed for 1 year. During that brilliant moment in time that made it possible for so many of us, I just bit my cheek, so many of us to survive 2020 and the absolute shit show that it was, we are forever in their debt and grateful for them. So, in the spirit of things that are only temporary and living for that moment that we possess in life, I shall create an Unus Annus inspired pumpkin. That's the plan. Let's begin. There's many things I could do. I could make the hourglass with the skull, but I'm not confident enough in my abilities to draw it well. So I have a different idea what I'm gonna put on here. I did my nails with little crystals. Now I'm gonna carve a pumpkin because that's how I roll. This is a big pumpkin. So, inspiration is behind me. Okay, the swirl goes this way. I know someone's probably gonna carve the hourglass, so I'm gonna do the spiral instead. This is not gonna be the most even spiral, but that's okay. It's made with love. And I don't have the proper tools, so we're just gonna do what we can. This is starting to look like that guy from Naruto. Insert name here. I think you need the Sharingan over here. Oh God, I'm showing my age. This is gonna be the one I cut out, so I have to color it. Okay, that should guide me. Now, I'm not gonna just cut this out because I think it'll just collapse, because I don't think there'll be enough structural support needed. So I'm gonna go up this at a little bit of a different angle. I'm going to get the hole in the back and cut him this way. And he's big enough I can actually use a proper scoop. Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't know, I always like collecting seeds from pumpkins. It's like gross but satisfying. The idea is to hollow out the pumpkin and let the light shine from the inside to the spiral. Gotta figure out my flow and how I get to do this. What was I thinking? I don't know. Okay, I think I have a plan. And no one's probably gonna see this video, but that's okay because I'm a fan. And fans do stuff because they want to, not for fame or glory. I'm doing this for me, to remind myself that I do only have a limited amount of time, and I've wasted so much of it waiting for time to pass that I could have made that time mine. I could have, even if I didn't think it was mine, it was mine, and I've literally just wasted years doing nothing because I've felt like I had to. I felt like I've had to just sit there and do nothing. And I don't want to feel like that anymore. So I bought merch from this channel. I hung the bag on my wall, and I will figure out how to wear the clothing. And I will keep moving forward. Even if it's only baby steps, it's forward, and that's the direction that I need to go. And I know that keep moving forward is a Monty Ohm thing, but it still applies. Never stop moving forward. Ah! Don't touch anything with these clothes. So making this pumpkin, am I cutting away the unus or the annus? I'm just completely rubbing up all the marks I made. Oopsie. Totally just making a mess. It's like 11 o'clock at night. Ah, black marker is coming off. No. I've been posting a lot of videos lately, more than normal for me. I'm no better, but every little bit of practice helps, right? Another reason I've been posting a lot of videos is because I have a workplace injury, and I'm finding it very hard and very painful to walk right now. So while everything gets sorted, I will toss my $2 in the ring to become a YouTuber. If I knew what I was doing, I'd be done by now. I suppose this is a good time for you to reflect on why you do what you do. It makes you happy? Because it makes someone else happy? Because you feel obligated? I do a lot of things because I feel obligated. Not because I enjoy them, but because I feel like I have to. This is both as harder than I expected and exactly what I expected. This I did not expect. If you make a cut and then lose your line, wait a few moments and the cut will start to seep, and then you should be able to figure out where you're supposed to be. I should have done the hourglass. Let's carve this out and see what we're dealing with. Look what you've done to it. There's probably proper tools for this, but I don't have them. Or these could be the proper tools, I just don't know how to use them. point, I've given up making it smooth and pretty. I just want it done. I have pumpkin in my shirt. See your true colors shine through, and I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. I feel like I'm closing in on it, finally. Finally. Well, wow, that does not much look like Unus Annus, does it? Okay. Well, I can do a little straightening up in the dark. That definitely looks more, Nightmare Before Christmas. Not bad. Definitely Nightmare Before Christmas. I say it's not my best work, but my best work isn't very good, so this might be my best work. Pumpkins, like life, sometimes don't turn out the way you expect. Doesn't mean they're bad, just means they're not what you expected them to be. So be proud of what you've made. Memento mori. Happy Halloween! It is 1 a.m. I'm going to bed.